Energize the magnetron circuit from test mode and test for control voltage to the K2 anode relay. Is there 24 volts DC present on pins B17 and C14 on the control board? If not, go ahead and replace the control board. If there is 24 volts DC present, you'd want to next energize the magnetron circuit from the test mode and test for control voltage on the K2 anode relay, making sure that there's 24 volts DC present on terminals A and B. Keep in mind there are some older style relays that have been used which can be removed. In this instance, they cannot be removed. If there is no voltage present, you'd want to inspect or replace wiring between B17, C14 of the control board, and the terminals A and B of the K2 relay. If there is voltage present, leaving the K2 anode relay in terminal 5, 4, and 6. If there is no voltage present, replace the K2 anode relay. If there is 24 volts present, inspect and replace the wiring between terminal 4 on K2 and terminal T1-1 on the HV transformer, and between terminal 6 on K2 and T2-3 on the HV transformer. On this particular board, you cannot replace the relays, you will have to replace the whole board.